We stayed in North Carolina over the holidays, visiting family, and as always, working on other projects. Now we're headed to the North Carolina coast to begin our slow migration south. Our first destination is to Flanners Beach Campground, which is on the Neuse River, just south of New Bern. Apparently, it was a thing to ride the gates when someone new was coming in. We stayed at one of the 40 sites and chose one with electrical hookups for $25 a night. We thought that was a good plan since storms were coming in and bringing colder temps. You might as well be cozy for internet surfing in the rain.
What are you doing, my little friend? Oh, little friend. Hi. Hello. We're not in Illinois anymore. We are just south of New Bern, North Carolina. Gary hasn't been feeling well for the last couple of days. Winds are picking up too. Oh boy. And we found out he has shingles. So we're trying to go get some additional medicine for him, but we'll probably be playing low key for a while. He's in a lot of pain. I'm not going to bother showing him. His face is kind of swollen and stuff. So, yeah. Even when you're not feeling well, you still have to get water and dump your tanks. It's going to be a very gusty day today. Had some pretty hefty weather come in this morning. It looks like it's going to be a fun day.
And it's my turn to drive, since Gary is obviously feeling less than awesome today. We make our way down from Flanners Beach Campground to a dry camping site at Oyster Point Campground.
Minus the camp hosts, we're the only ones here. Oh.
The next morning was my chance to stretch out my legs a little and check out the campground.
Ooh, you're scary.
We stayed for 2 nights here. Overall, the campground was definitely worth the stop. It also gave Gary some much-needed downtime. Just be aware of those darn early morning commuters.
Where is he? There he is.
Although far from 100%, Gary felt good enough to drive. Or maybe it had something to do with my amazing driving skills a few days earlier. I guess we'll never know.
Well, it does close at 6 p.m.
Yeah, you heard that right. No evening escapades if you're hunkering down at Carolina State Beach Park during the winter months. The next morning, I took a solitary stroll out of the campground on a trail that led to the marina.
I'm a grumpy tree. People on the trail have no respect. None. None. Yeah, I see it. What is that? It's not a squirrel. Well, some days are more exciting than others. Today is kind of chillaxy. We're waiting to get our batteries charged. Since the generator was a bit low, we're dry camping. And no sun means generator is in use. Let's see where we're at.
Kill the generator.
Yeah, what are we at?
82. You good?
Yeah, let's kill it. 82 is good enough. Time to get up. Time to get up, and it's like 1:30. Oh well. Swamp trail. Swampy goodness. Woohoo. It's not often that you have sand trails.
No.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. That is a big boat.